Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna go over the fun US30. So I caught this distribution trade. So hopefully you guys have been watching my distribution tutorials. Hopefully you've been practicing this yourself on your own charts, you guys. If you guys are taking advantage of this free information, make sure you guys are actually backtesting and trying it out for yourself and sending questions in the free group chat. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys the distribution I took. This was actually a type 2 distribution and I actually got stopped out, but I did get back in and I'll show you why and how and everything that went on. Okay, so before we get started, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, you guys. I'm going to be uploading more videos in 2022, and I'm going to be uploading more information about the metaverse and NFTs and how you guys can also get tapped into that space. So let's get started. So first, clearly I had these 3 drives. So naturally, these 3 drives, I would label them a buying climax, a UT, and UTAD. So if those are my buying climax, UT and UTAD, well then this would be my trading range. Now, you need to understand all the elements. If this is my trading range, aka my buying climax, which makes this my AR, well, then I don't have anything inside the trading range, okay? My UT doesn't come in 50%. I don't have an MSAL. I have this over here, but that'll be major. So this told me that these 3 drives are not 3 drives, and this may be a type 2. A type 2 is your UT and your buying climax.
Hi, my name is Savannah Parsons, and here on YouTube, I teach institutional trading. So are you tired of trading these head and shoulder patterns, flag patterns with 30, 40, 50 pip stop losses, and you wonder why you're not making money? It's because you're not trading like the banks. Yes, trading like the banks, trading like the institutions, institutional trading. So I teach smart money concepts. What is smart money concepts? It's imbalance, order blocks, and Wyckoff. This is exactly how the banks are trading. They're not trading these crazy cat, dog, and mouse patterns, okay? If you want to learn how to constantly have a 10 pip or less stop loss, trade only 1 to 10s, and be extremely profitable, then I want you to check out my videos here on YouTube. And if you like what you see, also join my free group chat below. And if you're really getting value and you want to elevate your trading, I actually have my own academy called smartmoneyacademy.ca. So if you click the link to my website and my free group chat, you guys will understand how the banks are actually trading, and you can actually make more money in the market. So for now, check out my videos here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my group chat.
So let's just go wick. You can do wick or body, just be consistent. So let's go wick for now. So BC and AR. Okay, if I do this as my trading range, what? Then I get a second test, which is fair. And then I also get an MSAL, which comes outside the trading range. So that makes more sense. And then we can call this little piece right here a PS. Okay, awesome. So I believe this was actually a 4-minute trade. Okay, so that's how we got here. Now I want to show you that on a blank chart because I didn't want to clear my own chart. But on this broker, I don't use this broker. I use Owanda. So let me show you on Owanda what actually happened, you guys. So on Owanda, it's shaped a little bit different, and the major difference is that the trading range kind of aligns with the entry. So this is the highest imbalance over here. Right? This is the imbalance, which is very close to this. So this is not a perfect trading range alignment, especially when I'm dealing with a Forex pair. This actually has to be perfect because this is the imbalance entry at the top here, and this is a trading range. So they're not perfect. This one doesn't perfectly align. So I wouldn't even consider that in confirmation, but it is close. And then here we have this test that actually tapped into this imbalance, which we didn't have on the other broker. Okay? So that's the major difference with this broker. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like on a blank screen first because I didn't want to clear my US30, but that's what's happening now. So it's the same thing. And there's our PS, and here is our trading range. So this is a type 2. 2 drives up, test, MSAL. Now again, this book doesn't show imbalance or order blocks, which is something that sucks about this book, but that's why you should work with a mentor and get all the information that you need. But that's pretty much how this trade went. Now, the funny thing is, guys, I did get stopped out on this trade. So my original trade, I had this entry for drawdown, And this is completely different from my MetaTrader 4 numbers. So if you guys don't know, when you guys are entering trades, you guys shouldn't be copying these exact numbers. You guys should be looking at the setup, going to your MetaTrader 4, going to the chart, and seeing what numbers give this area. So for example, this entry, it says 35,754. On my broker, it was literally like 35,768. Like, it was well off. Like, I would have hit stop loss, which I did anyways. But when I did hit stop loss, you guys, the price went right up into a quarter number. So if you don't know what a quarter number is, I'll explain it to you right now. A quarter number is just any number that ends in a whole number. So 000, 500, or 800. So when banks are manipulating the market, you guys think that they're moving the market by trillions of pips and like, okay, let's manipulate by pushing in one area, and we're going to push the price to 35,862.05 pipettes. No, they're just going to push it to 35,800, okay? So that's what happened for me. So on this broker right here, like I said, it's showing 35,783. But on my broker at MetaTrader 4, it was literally 35,800. And then I got this huge rejection with this close. So I sold around this close. On here, it kind of shows over here, but this is where I sold by market on my actual MT4. I rarely get back into trades once losing. I don't think I've done that in literally 6 months, but because this setup was perfect, the entry was still relevant, the numbers were just a little bit off, and I got that close, I was able to jump back in, and this literally went for a 1 to a lot. So actually, I closed out at this doji close. I took partials here. This was my first TP, and then that partial, I took it out, and it actually ended up turning around now. So like I said, my first place was this equal lows right here. And then my partial, once I got this close, I closed my full partial as well. So that's pretty much that trade, you guys. This stuff works on US30. It works on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a lot more harder than US30. I think US30 is a pretty clean pair, as well as harder on gold. But you guys, a lot of people get excited over US30, Bitcoin, and gold. But if you're not good at trading Forex pairs, you're not going to be good at trading these pairs. So in my academy, we do mostly focus on Forex. Next year, we will be diving into a little bit more US30. But don't get excited over these pairs. They make the same amount of money on the same amount of leverage based on proper risk management as any other pair. It's about mastering the skill, okay? If you guys want to get more information on how you guys can do this and be consistent with the schematics, join my academy, Smart Money Academy. A lot of things coming in the new year, so I'm super excited for you guys to tap in now. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.